got a small space. I'm just trying to build some things and escape reality, really.
It's special because how many people have a workshop inside their house? It's just a lovely place to be.
A sanctuary for me in the world of madness to be by myself and do things cool.
My workshop is down in the New Forest, out at the bottom of the garden.
Seeing stuff that I've made, making stuff for kids is nice.
There's just something great about seeing a piece of wood and turning it into something beautiful.
It was my granddad, and he always said, make yourself useful. So by being useful, you'll always have a purpose.
Woodworking makes me feel really at peace.
Whether it's your garage, dining room, or your garden shed. From our workshop to yours, we share your passion.